This video will demonstrate how to add a proximity tag onto a Texecom keypad. Firstly, enter your master code, followed by menu. Then press the number 2 on the keypad. The display will ask you, do you want to set up users? Press the tick or yes button. The display will then show you the next available user slot. Press yes or tick to move along until the display asks, add tag to user. Press number 1 for a new tag or number 2 to import an existing tag from an existing Texecom Elite system. For this example, we will be pressing number 1 to add a new tag. Then present the tag in front of the keypad over the word Prox. That new tag is now on your alarm system. To go back to day mode, press menu, number 0 and then yes or tick.